Welcome to our channel, Calculator Techniques. In this video, we will discuss all about on how to calculate areas in normal curve. Okay, so mode 3 can also be used to solve the area under the normal curve. Okay, so this is the property of normal curve, guys. So we have a graph. It is normally distributed from 0 to negative infinity, from 0 to positive infinity. Okay, so in order to do that, we will need to go to mode 3 setup. Okay, so just follow this button in order to solve areas in normal curve. Okay, so first you have to press mode 3, then AC, shift 1. After these steps, this display will pop up. So we have to select number 5 because number 5 is the option for normal distribution. Okay, so after pressing 5, this display will appear. So we will select, it depends on the question or depends on the unknowns of the problem. Okay, so P means area from G equals negative infinity to Z equals A to the left. So R means from Z equals A to Z equals positive infinity to the right. Then Q means area from Z to 0 equals 0 to Z equals A or beneath normal curve. Okay, so we will try. Just press mode 3, then cancel, AC, shift 1. Okay, so we will select number 5 for normal distribution. Okay, so now we have to select either of these four. It depends on the unknowns. Okay, so we'll go back to mode 1. So I will give you an example, guys. I have prepared 6 examples for this topic, so at least we can try all of these unknowns. Okay, so example number 1: find the area to the left of G equals negative 1.58 from the standard normal curve. So okay, so what is asking on this problem, guys, is area to the left of G equals negative 1.57. So to the left, so it is asking for 1, so we will select 1. Okay, so in this problem, Z equals negative 1.57 to the left. So from here, 1.57, the area going to the left. So from here going to this side. Okay, so solution will be follow these buttons, steps. Okay, so mode 3, then AC, shift 1, then press 5 for normal distribution. Then we will press 1 because area to the left of G equals negative 1.57. So we will press 1, and then we will enter the value of G, negative 1.57. Then we have to close the parenthesis. Okay, so equal. So the answer, guys, the area from negative 1.57 to the left is 0.5808. Okay, so we'll try again. Mode 3. But guys, if you are already in mode 3, then no need this 2 buttons. So just press 3 buttons. Just press shift 1, then 5, 1, enter the value, negative 1.57, then close parenthesis, hit equal. So the answer is 0.5828. Okay, that is our example number 1. So I will give you another example. Example number 2. Okay, so in number 2, find the area under the normal curve to the left. So still it is asking for P. P, guys, because a normal curve to the left, Z 1.64. So 1.64, something like here, 1.64, then going to the left. Okay, so guys, we are already in mode 3, so that's why we will go direct from shift 1. Okay, shift 1, sorry, we will press shift 1, then 5. We will again press 1 because it is asking for normal curve to the left. Okay, 1, then enter the value of G, 1.64, 1.64, then close, press equal. Okay, so the example number 1 and number 2, guys, is almost the same, only the Z is different value. So 1.64 going to the left, so the area is 0.9495. So 1.64 going this side, the area is 0.9495. Okay, so example number 3, guys, find the area under normal curve to the right. So now it is different from 1 and 2. So it is asking for the area of normal curve to the right. So 1.64 here, so going to this side. Okay, so we are already in mode 3, so we will press shift 1, then 5, then 3, because 3R is under normal curve to the right. Okay, so we will press 3, then enter the value 1.64. Close, then press enter. Okay, guys, so you can see the difference between the area of 1.64 going to the left. It is only 0.050503. So the area of this curve under normal curve from 1.64 going to the left is 0.9495. That is the difference from same value of Z, but the other one is going to the left and the other one is going to the right. Okay, so that is our example number 3. Then we will go to example number 4. Example number 4. Excuse me. So in example number 4, find the area beneath a standard normal curve between 0 and the point Z equals negative 1.58. So it is asking now, guys, 0, the area from 0, between 0 and negative 1.58. So something negative 1.58. So something here like this, somewhere here. So we will find the area. Now it is asking for beneath, so we are selecting the Q option. So we will try to shift 1, then select 5. So it is we need to select Q for beneath between 0 and negative 1.58. So we will press 2. Then we will enter the value negative 1.58. Then close. Then hit enter. Okay, so the area, guys, is 0.44295. So the answer is letter A. So okay, what is the difference between P? P, guys, is the value of J, like for example negative 1.57 going to the left. So from here going to until the normal curve ends. So for R, that is the value of G going to the right. So like for example your G is negative 158 going to the right, so the area will be from negative 1.57 going to the right. So Q will be beneath, so you have limit from 0 to negative 158. So from here only area. So the answer is 0.44295. Okay, so letter A. And then, guys, example number 5. Find the area beneath a standard normal curve between 2.15 and point G is equal to negative 1.58. So we have also 4 choices from E, B, C, and D. So our solution, guys, the area beneath Z equals 2.15 and G equals negative 1.58 is the sum of the area between Z equals 2.15 and 0 and the area between G equals negative 1.58 and G equals 0. So it means, guys, that the area of we will need to get the sum, the area of 2.15 somewhere like here. So 2.15 going to 0, so the area, and from negative 1.58 to 0, so we need to get the area from negative 1.58 to 2.15. Okay, so again we will try to our calculator. So we will just follow this buttons. So shift 1, select 5 for normal distribution, 5, then 2 for beneath, 2, then enter the value of Z, 2.15, then close, then plus. Now we need to enter the area of negative 1.58 to 0. So shift 1, press 5, then 2, enter the value of G, negative 1.58, then close, then press equal. So the answer, guys, is 0.92717 is letter C. Okay, so we are getting the area from negative 0.158 going to 2.15, so 0.92717. So again, shift 1, then distribution 5, then 2, enter the value 2.15, equal, plus, shift 1, then 5, 2, enter the value of G, negative 1.58, then closed, enter. So the answer is letter C, 0.92717. So if you can't follow, guys, then you can just pause this video, then practice on your own with your calculator, then just review. Okay, so and I will give you example number 6. Oh. So this problem, guys, is also different from the unknown is the same from example 1 and 2, but the problem is quite confusing. So the mean, example number 6, the mean score of students from the class is 70 with a standard deviation of 15. Assuming that the scores are normally distributed, so what is the probability that the students will score more than 90 degrees? So okay, guys, it is asking for the probability of the students will score more than 90. So our solution, guys, to compute the probability of the students to score more than 90, so compute the area to the right of G. So we will select the unknown here is going to the right of G, so 5, so 3, we will select number 3. Okay, so to compute the probability of the students to score more than 90, compute the area to the right of G. So use the formula of G test. So just remember also this formula, guys, as Z equals to X minus this U coefficient, or the omega. Okay, so x is the score, then u is the mean, then omega is the standard. This omega is the standard deviation. So 90 minus 70 divided by 15 equals 1.33. So this will be our the value of g going to the right. So we will do it again. So we will do in our calculator. So shift 1 5, then 3, that is going to the right, 3. So enter the value of z 1.12345, then close parenthesis, then press equal. So the answer is 0.091211, or multiplied by 100 is equal to letter A, 9.12%. Okay guys, so multiply by 100. So it is equal to 9.1211%. So the answer is letter A. So okay guys, we have answered 6 examples of how to calculate the areas under normal curve. So if you are confused or you can't follow, then just pause and review this videos, and then don't forget to like and subscribe guys, because for the next video we will discuss also all about the mode 4 or the base n calculations, how to calculate decimals to hexadecimals, and hexadecimals to octa, then binary to decimals. That will be our topic for the next video. So please like and subscribe to be updated and hit the bell button. Okay guys, thank you so much.